Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Slst with your official account and two-factor authentication enabled. Once done, navigate directly to the beneficiary record and locate the Caste field. This is where you'll make edits. Make sure to review the linked supporting documents and ID numbers so changes match evidence. You should confirm eligibility rules now to avoid rejection later, and prepare the exact certificate scans and reference ID. This prevents back and forth and speeds approval. You proceed by clicking Edit on the Caste field and selecting the correct Caste code from the official dropdown. Accuracy matters because codes drive downstream benefits. After selection, upload the scanned Caste certificate as a clear PDF under 5 MB and confirm the issue and expiry dates are visible. Then, enter a concise amendment reason and add an official remark for auditors. Also supply verifier contact details so authorities can validate quickly and reduce delay. You finish by thoroughly reviewing every change and then clicking Submit. Record the reference ID that appears because you'll need it for tracking. Once submitted, monitor the verification workflow and respond to any queries within 48 hours to prevent automatic closure. If the application is rejected, read the rejection note carefully, correct the exact document or data causing the issue, and resubmit promptly. One troubleshooting tip: if documents are repeatedly rejected, call the verifier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.